Hi guys, today I'm doing a FIFA 13 pack opening. It's happy hour. I'm only opening one pack because I'm using my actual coins. On Saturday I'm going to get some FIFA points, so I can open a lot of packs, but you know, I'm pretty tight with my money, so I'm only going to open one. It's 15k, so there we go. See what we get. I'm not going to look, I'm going to close my eyes. You get anyone good? Nope. We got absolutely no one. So that is absolutely brilliant. What a pack. We got Mori, Starari, Munia, Hunt, Mikel. Our best player was Mikel. So, for 15,000 coins, I'm very happy with that pack. How much is it worth if I discard it all? Oh, 3k. Jesus, that's pretty bad. I don't really like that kit. I quite like that kit. So that ain't good. Kits won't sell. Get that. Right, those are quiet. I've just bought a new team. There we go. They should have very high moral. Very fabby, fantastic. Store it. Hello? Consumables are full. I'll have to send that to the trade pile. Send this trade. I ain't got any room in my thingy pile. Trade pile is now full. I'll apply these two contracts. Jesus, well that was a really bad pack. I won't bore you anymore, I'll just sort it out and I'll open another one. So now we're gonna go for the second pack. Let's see who we get. I just closed my eyes then, just in time. But we haven't got anybody good by the looks of things. No! What a fantastic pack. So we got basically nobody. Yet again. At least we got some decent contracts. My phone just went off then. Well, that'll be worth a little bit. That might be worth a bit. Pretty bad formations there. So yeah, I'm going to end it there, guys. And please like and subscribe. And I hope, for your sake, that you get better packs than I did. So, see ya.